Hey everyone, James Andrews here with HelloPro Home Inspections. I want to give you a quick overview on how to build a repair request list straight from our navigation software when you're viewing your home inspection report. It's quick, it's easy, and it may help give you the negotiating tool you need for determining how much it may cost to fix the items within your inspection report. Let's jump right into it. Once you and your agent review the inspection report and decide which items need to be addressed, our software has a built-in repair request tool to prioritize those items you'd like to see repaired. At the very top right of the report screen, click on the button labeled Report Tools. This gives you two options to pull information out of the report. Observations Copy and Paste Text will give you a summary of all the recommended items in a plain text format that makes it easy to copy and paste information out of the report. The other option is Repair Request Builder. Now what this does is it gives you a full interactive builder where you can select items from your report to add to your inspection objection repair request list. So scrolling through the list, you'll see all the items in the summary. You can select which items you'd like to see repaired by simply clicking the checkbox beside the item. You can also assign a credit value to an item that you would like to receive instead of having that item repaired. And you can add a comment to any of the items. Next, you'll want to name your report. You can reorder the items using this feature or add a header text to give an overview of that section. Once you're done, click Preview. Our software will automatically generate your repair request list that will include all the items you selected. You can click on the Repair Request link here to review the repair list that you just created. Any special notes or comments you've made will appear at the top of the repair request list. Any credits that you've asked the seller for will also appear beside the item that you want a credit to be applied. At the bottom of the page will be your total credit requested amount. If you wish to edit your repair request list or view it as a PDF, you'll find those tabs at the bottom right of your screen. If you want to send the report link as a text or as an email to someone, you can do that here. For now, we'll send it as an email. Enter the recipient's email, a subject title, and click Send. It's really that easy. Thanks for taking some time with us to learn how to build your repair request list for negotiation. If you have any questions or would like help scheduling your inspection, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.